directly from one mature organism to another, as opposed to a parent giving their offspring their genes. Horizontal gene transfer is pretty common between single-celled organisms like bacteria, which pass around genes for things like antibiotic resistance, stuff that keeps the whole population healthy. We also know that genes can be transferred between members of different species, even in multicellular organisms. For example, scientists have previously discovered that genes have jumped between rice and another type of grain called millet, despite the fact that those two species diverged between 30 and 60 million years ago. But exactly how horizontal gene transfer works in plants is still a bit of a head-scratcher, and has been considered an unlikely mechanism for something as complex and sophisticated as rapid mimicry. For a little bit of context, gene transfer changing a plant's appearance would be like a handshake changing your eye color, or someone sneezing on you making your hair curly. It feels a little out there. But in 2021, some of the same researchers that originally described the shape-shifting properties of Boquila vines came up with a plausible mechanism for these plants swapping genes. Their idea is that airborne bacteria carry genetic material from the neighboring plants to Boquila's leaves, and the leaves can then integrate that information into their own genes and use it to change shape. This is wild, but it outlines how strange of a problem it is. So to test this, they sequenced the DNA and bacteria from Boquila leaves as well as the leaves from plants it had copied. When they compared the bacterial communities, they found an overlap between Boquila and the mimicked plants. Not only that, but there were significant differences between the bacteria on the Boquila leaves that had changed shape and the Boquila that hadn't. These results hint that bacteria may be playing a role in the exchange of genetic material, which would be a pretty revolutionary idea, botanically speaking. That said, the authors also acknowledge that more has to be done to lock down this hypothesis. It's a pretty extraordinary claim. It would need pretty extraordinary evidence. But there is another, even wilder possibility for how Boquila has become a master of disguise. A recent study has explored the rather controversial idea that these vines can see. The science fiction-y idea that plants might be able to see has actually been around since 1905. That's when Austrian botanist Gottlieb Haberlandt suggested that the outer layer of cells on a leaf could act as a lens, focusing the rays of light onto light-sensing cells, which altogether is called an ocellus. We have found some forms of photoreceptors in plants, but whether they allow plants to actually see shapes or colors or even exist at all has yet to be confirmed. But that hasn't stopped researchers from exploring the idea of plant vision in Boquila. In a 2022 study, researchers decided to give some Boquila plants an eye exam.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
So, no, vegan chick, he's getting to the part right now. It's not all hypothesis. This plant morphed into a plastic plant, which means it could not be talking to the other plant using bacteria to morph. It had to have seen, because it can't talk to plastic. You're going to hear about it right now. Hit play again.
Since they knew that Boquila can mimic living plants, they decided to see if the vines could copy fake plastic plants too. Since a plastic plant doesn't have any genes to transfer, it would mean that if Boquila was able to mimic these leaves, it was not doing so by using genetics or any chemical signals from the host. They also grew other vines below a shelf, blocking their line of sight to the fake plants. As the Boquila vine grew toward the artificial plant, its leaves started to morph, reportedly becoming more like the fake leaves, while the Boquila branches hidden by the shelf got bigger but didn't change shape. All of which, the authors argue, supports their idea that Boquila can see. Now, to be clear, other plant biologists are pretty skeptical of the plant vision hypothesis, going as far to call the idea, quote, far-fetched. Not only that, but several researchers have criticized the design of that 2022 study, saying the variables that can influence leaf shape, like the age of the leaves and light exposure, weren't properly controlled for. They also criticized the lack of explanation for how plant vision could reasonably work, since the whole hypothesis hinges on the plant's like actually being able to see stuff. But the study's authors stand by their work and are currently doing more experiments with Boquila plants to further investigate their plant vision hypothesis. And even the critics will concede that they won't say it's impossible that plants can see. We might even find that both horizontal gene transfer and plant vision are at play when these guys mimic their neighbors. These weird copycats are just one more example of how little we really understand about the natural world.
Uh-oh, we played that too long.
What happened?
You got a violation.
I got a violation?
Yeah.
It doesn't tell me I got a violation.
I'm seeing it on the live stream on YouTube.
Oh no, we got taken down.
Temporarily. I stopped playing it, so it'll come back on in a minute or two.
I'll tell the chat that. Are you sure it'll come back?
Yeah, this happened on Dan's channel a few times.
Wait, does that mean I have a copyright?
I
No.
don't think so. I don't know for sure, Sandy. I just know I've seen this before on Dan's channel, and we waited around, and it did come back. As soon as you stop playing whatever it was you're not supposed to play, and we did now. I shut it off right away.
It's not coming back.
Oh. I can't remember how long it took. It's been a while.
It says I'm still alive.
Okay, hang on, I'll reset. Let's see what happens. No, it's still not there. Oh, come on.
There
There we are. It's
We're
back. Oh, thank God.
We
What?
are. Wait, it's gone again.
Why would it go again?
Yeah, it's not gone for me. I'm still seeing it.
I'm not on YouTube.
Is it back for you?
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's back for
Down
me.
again. It's back for Josh.
It's not here. It's not back for me yet.
Just hang in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I closed out my tab that I was in, and
Much more alive.
Sorry.
oh yeah, it's back on my phone too. So
Okay. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's back.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Oh no,
Nope,
it's gone
it
again.
disappeared again.
Why is it doing that?
Should I?
Yeah, all the chat's
should I move
gone.
to another? Should I move to another stream?
What do you mean?
Like, should I make a new StreamYard?
Maybe.
I don't know. I mean, it's still showing fine for me. Here, let me look.
I'm checking my email.
Let me look on X.
I mean, the chat's still going.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Live stream copyright notice. Due to copyright match, your stream was interrupted.
It should come
After
back.
copyright is no longer streamed, streams are automatically re-enabled. I'm going to put this in the chat to let them know we're coming back eventually.
Yeah, you're still live on X.
Okay.
All right, we're back again. We're back again. Guys, hang in there. If it goes away again, they said it will be coming back.
Oh my.
We're back. I can
hate
see
that.
myself again.
Yeah.
Say
it's
okay, back up.
Yeah.
Can I post this? I'm gonna let you see what YouTube sent me.
Oh, scary stuff. I'm sorry. I mean, it's not. It's not necessarily my fault, but I was playing it. I feel bad.
No, it's okay.
It's
I
not
was
a big
playing.
deal.
No, we were
It
playing
happens.
it because people didn't believe me.
Yes.
Like
I
we
know.
had
Right.
to show them.
You can alter the speed of playback for stuff like that, or you talk over it, or stop it quite frequently and talk.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Good night, Samantha.
Altering the speed, just going to 1.2 or something is usually enough, though.
Samantha says no hard feelings. Have a good night, guys.
Yeah, but no one thought of it at the time. So, oh no, it's on again.
I can understand somebody like giving up meat because they didn't want anything to get hurt for them to get fed, and then turning vegan and then finding out that plants could have feelings too. That'd be like, what next, you know?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I
Yeah.
understand it's got to be hard, but
Yeah.
these are just the facts that are presented. I'm sorry. I don't
It's
mean
on
to like.
again. Where'd it go
You know,
again?
I'm not like arguing with you that you shouldn't be vegan. If you want to be vegan, go. We're down again. Oh my god.
Huh.
Yeah, AI title.
I'm
Yeah. Should I make a new stream? I'm asking them. Should I make a new StreamYard, a new show?
Is it down right now?
Yeah.
Oh,
It flickers and then goes
I'm-
away
yeah,
again. They're supposed to bring it back up. The email says
Yeah,
it
it's
will bring
supposed
it
to come
back up.
Right.
yeah, I'm not showing it down. It's showing live on my YouTube stream.
See, but if I make a new show,
I did.
I lose X. Well, no, I lose Rumble.
Let's
Could someone
ask the
please go to
chat.
Rumble? Could someone
Let's
please?
ask the chat.
If I leave, it's going to kick me out, and I might not be able to get back.
Chat's all blaming vegans for
Can
rat.
someone go to Rumble and in the comments in the live chat say we're starting a new stream, but it won't be on Rumble, please? And on my phone, I'm going to go to X and say that we're going to a new stream, and I got a donation.
Oh, good. We need donation, especially after
Sandy,
this.
why don't you poll the chat and see if everybody can see you? Maybe
Might have to.
Maybe
Everyone-
you can't see, but maybe everybody else can.
Okay. It's
No, we're back
Good.
up. We are back up. We are back up.
We're back.
We are back. Maybe if we start talking about something else, guys, maybe it'll stay up.
Yeah.
Let's try
Maybe.
that.
Yeah, maybe.
Pull up
You
a
know.
presentation, please, Splatter.
Yeah, change up.
Go to Easter eggs, please, fast, quick, before they take us down
Quick.
again.
Yeah. Easter eggs. Where are they? Up
Under
top?
Easter eggs. No, in the middle.
Easter eggs. I got it. Oops, site not can be reached. Oh, great.
Oh my God, I'm putting it back at the bottom.
We'll go with this one then.
No, go to Easter eggs here, because that's what's next.
Okay.
Here, it's at the bottom.
Here, the bottom. I'm going. The one that already didn't want to work. So here we go. StreamYard. Oh, no, it's gone again.
Oh, we're down again.
I'm getting there. What's back again? No. Okay. I'm getting there.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta hurry.
I am hurrying. Here we go.
Okay, Easter eggs are on the screen. Guys, I need someone to keep track and make sure I'm not talking to nobody.
Oh yeah, I have it on the other. Like I said, I was on my other computer over there. I can't miss it.
They may have kept doing
Yeah,
that. To
it's
make
showing
sure
for
we were
me.
not right. I'm thinking that they kept taking us down because they thought we might play it again. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping that now something else is on the screen, they'll leave it up.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know if this is a Mandela effect or not, but everyone I've asked has given me the same wrong answer. So I decided to ask you.
Whew.
Nope, we're down.
What?
Wow.
I'm making a new stream. I'm making a new stream.
Yeah. Mine's saying one watching. And you only have
What
one
does it
thumbs
say?
up, and that was just what I just gave you. Mine's saying one watching, and you got one thumbs up. Like everything is just everything looks like it's been reset.
Well, mine says 43 watching.
Oh, that's weird.
your email. Oh. Did Sarah give a donation?
Oh, I just got something. Yeah. I got a donation from Rudy. Yeah, it's down again.
Oh, it flashed back again.
I know. I think it's going to keep doing this. That's why I'm just going to make a new one. Making a new stream will not be on Rumble. Actually, it can be. Actually, select all. Making a new stream. Look for it in 5-10 minutes. In 5 minutes, because it takes me about 5 minutes to make one.
We're at the end of the show.
I know. Well, we're not. We still have a new one to do. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Mandelas left.
It came back on for a second.
Yeah,
Like
I know, and then it went. I'm trying to get all the links together, so that way
Yeah.
I can copy and paste them.
Yeah, I realized why it was still showing on mine when I kept saying that it's still going, and you were saying that it wasn't. Is because I was looking at my channel, because like 10 minutes ago I realized I'm like, oh yeah, I should stream this to my channel too. So I started streaming to my channel like 10 minutes ago, and that was the one I was watching, and so it got taken down on yours, but didn't get taken down on mine for some reason.
I didn't put it on mine this time around.
Yeah, I always forget.
I'm trying to copy links, guys, and then I'm gonna go and we're all gonna have to go, and then I'll send you links to rejoin.
Yep, I'm out.
All right, you want me to email you the link?
Yep.
All right, I will email you the link, and for you guys, I'll put it in the group. But
all right.
I'm gonna quickly put together and Splatter. I'm sending these links in the group chat, so that way you have them. I'm gonna send them directly to you, actually.
Okay, but it is back now, Sandy.
We're back. All right, guys, we're making a new stream because this keeps happening. We still have like 5 or 6 Mandelas to cover, including a new one. So in 5 minutes, look for a new stream. I'm gonna post it, but it's gonna be up in about 5 minutes. I just have to make a new one for Rumble and StreamYard, and then we'll be live again.
I think we're okay now, Sandy.
We were okay like this for. If it goes down again, I'm making a new stream.
Well, okay, yeah, okay. If it goes down again, yeah, but I think we're okay now though, because it's been a while and it's been flickering for a while, and I think its flickering's done now.
Yeah, it seems solid. Like back on to me.
Yeah.
But
Now I gotta find the email to Mr. Super and tell him to come back. Forward. No, not reply all. Forward to Mr. Super. Come back.
Yeah, I think it's fine now.
I'm telling you, if it goes down again, I'm making a new stream.
Oh, I understand that. That makes sense.
Yeah.
It does. But all the flickering and stuff, it's gone, and he did that, and yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I got to do a thank you for Rudy.
Yeah. And I don't remember that happening before on Dan's streams, but I do remember him getting shut off, and then a few minutes later he came back on, and it was good, right? So.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And it's down.
Oh, it's back.
Yep,
oh my
sure
gosh. This is but see, this is going to. I think this is going to be consistent. I think it's going to keep doing this. So guys, I am making a new stream. There's no ands, ifs, or buts. We're making a new stream.
Yeah, okay, it's your choice. It's your choice.
And I'm going to remove that video because I got an email from Sarah. It wasn't worth it. So this has never happened to me before. There's 50 people watching. There was almost 60. And now I'm losing all this because of one person. So yeah, I'm starting a new stream, guys. We'll be right back.
Yep.
I'm ending this one. No outro. We'll be back.